Good day katiktik. In this video I will show you how to hard reset Huawei P40 Pro. Model number is ELS NX9. So long press the power switch in order to power off your phone and just wait for 5 to 10 seconds, and then put the type C data cable. This is not a charger, but it is connected to the computer or your laptop. Wait the phone until it open. Now Huawei is open. So again, that cable is not a charger. It is only connected to the computer or laptop. So if you don't have a laptop or PC, so you cannot hard reset the Huawei P40 Pro. So now, when the phone is open, long press all the button, volume up, volume down, and power switch. And then when the phone is off, just let go the volume down. See? And then again let go the power switch, then long press again the power switch, and when the Huawei comes out, unhold all or release all the buttons. So that's it, and then wait for the phone go to e-recovery. So you just wait. So it's very clear and easy how to hard reset the P40 Pro, Huawei P40 Pro. And then type yes, just type yes, and then factory reset, clear data, and then type yes, then factory reset. So just wait for a while the phone is processing, and then reset successfully. Just tap back and then restart. So the phone, it takes 2 to 5 minutes to open, and when the phone is open, just set up until you reach to the home screen. I hope this video will help you, and don't forget to like and of course to subscribe my channel. So let it connect to the Wi-Fi and then set up.